Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and creating safe access to the sway bar. This is critical so you can work without rushing. Once the vehicle is on stands, remove the wheel to expose the lower control arm and sway bar. Use penetrating oil on the bracket bolts and let it soak. This prevents rounded heads and speeds removal. Then, break the bracket bolts loose with the correct socket and breaker bar so you can unfasten them by hand. Once the bracket is free, you pry it off and slide the worn bushing off the sway bar. Sometimes you need a short pry bar to convince a stuck sleeve. Make sure you compare the new bushing to the old one for diameter and slit orientation. Correct alignment prevents squeak and premature wear. Next, clean the bar where the bushing seats with solvant and a rag. Removing rust and grime ensures the new part sits flush and won't twist under load. You push the lubricated new bushing onto the sway bar, making sure the split faces the right way for easy installation and proper seating. Once in place, reattach the bracket and tighten the bolts to factory torque. Over or under tightening causes binding or movement. Lower the car, reinstall the wheel, and perform a short test drive to listen for clunks. If you hear noise, recheck torque and bushing orientation. Misalignment or loose hardware is the most common issue, so address that first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.